Right, good morning. Very blowy today. That's the wind blowing the camera over. You can see how blowy it is. Okay. So what I've got is the beads down there. Lucky that ain't this camera's going to fall over again. It's really windy, but on top of the beads, rice, and that's what I'm going to try and shoot off. I can see that one there. I can't see that one. I can see that one. That one. There. Just about make out that one and that one. So that's going to be my target. Shooting the rice off the 6mm beads and trying to leave the bead on there. Now I have glued the rice on, so whether it's going to knock the bead off as well, I don't know. So I've only got 24 shots, 2 magazines today. I'm going to make it quick because it's very windy. Really waste time shooting today, I think. Right, so that's the bead now. Now I need to come on top of it. I need to shoot just above it. Dear me, that wind. The door's just going. You can hear the wind, so I'm going to bring this closer. Okay, I'm going to take the first shot. I'm just going to go above that rice. And that's that rice off. And the bead is there, so yeah, very good. Lucky. Right, okay, so this one is virtually laying flat on it. So I think I might be going to touch the bead, but I'm going to go quite high. And that's off. Well, that surprised me. Right, okay, now for the third one. Now I think that bead's going to come off because the way it's sitting on that, but shooting high again. Yeah, the way the rice was leaning, it had to take the bead as well. So there's a rice bit there, you can just make out there. So I'm just going to come above it, and I missed it. But you can see the rice bit much clearly now. So I missed that one. I go back through it, so slightly at the top of it, and that's that one gone. Oh, have I missed that one out? Looks like it. There's a rice bit on top of that. Oh dear me! You can see. You can see how windy it is with the crosswind. Right, okay, so I'm on this nice bit here, and once again, it looks like to me it's laying a bit flat. So I've got to come way above it. And that's that rice bit gone. Yeah, very good. Now we've got these. Oh, I can just make out that rice bit there by the colour of it. So far we're doing very good. Right, so again above it, but seeing it's laying flat, it's possibly going to take the bead as well. Okay, so we're now on the last rice bit. Just check. Yeah, we've got all the beads except that one, which I thought he was going to do. So this is the last one. And once again, I've got to come above it. No, I think that pellet kind of shot right. Much clearly now anyway, so no, give me, that's a hard one, isn't it? Bit silly trying to shoot in this sort of wind. Right, okay, so I'm going to come a little bit left high. That's it, and that's gone. And that was just allowing for the, well, I don't know if there was a crosswind, but that was just allowing other two pellets shoot. Right, okay, so all we've got now is the beads. And that was 12 shots. So very, very good. I've missed one so far. Well, missed one, and I think I took 2 or 3 shots on one, so not too bad. Oh, missed that one. I can't see where the pellet went. I think it went high. Oh, and 2 went out. Okay, so that's the end. I think there's a pellet laying down now. Or is that the concrete? I don't know. Well, that's gone anyway. I think there's a pellet in that concrete there, and that's gone. And I can't really see anything else. Now I'll show you this back. During the night, that must have fell off, and I can see marks where the pellets have gone through that concrete all over the place, and it looks like there's a bead there, but that's 3/4 inch wood, so I'm going to take that bead out. I'll try to. I can't remember where I've loaded. No, okay. Now that's going to be a bit noisy, I think, but just above it. No. Aim for it. Yeah, and it is so noisy when I hit that, hits that wood, so I won't be doing that again. Dog's barking. And we've got rain clouds coming over, but I've got no more targets to shoot. Everything's done on that shelf. Bit of paint there, I think we'll go for that. Gone, although it did clip the wood. Nothing else, just waste these magazines up now. This magazine, all plums are just falling off the tree. was the last shot. Okay, 10-minute. Looks like it's a 10-minute video, so 24 shots. Done the rice. One fell off with the bead, so I got 6 out of 7 on the rice and 6 out of 7 on no, I think the rice took me 8 shots to get 6 rice bits off the beads and 6 shots on the beads, because there was 7 beads, 7 rice clips, rice bits. Right, I'm going to turn the scope off, turn the video off. Yeah, very, very pleased in a way on this particular shoot. I mean, you know how big rice is, especially onto the bead. And all I was doing really was relying on the speed of the pellet to break the glue between the rice and the bead. And the beads was just balancing. It's amazing that the wind, although they're laying back into their shelter, it all works out. Now, a couple of comments this morning about trying to light matches. Well, I've tried that many times. And the other comment was shooting out a candle flame, which I've done. I think I might do it again, but what I want to do is make a small box up with an 8mm hole so you can see the flame inside. So what I've got to do there is go through the 8mm hole and take the flame out. I think last time I put a candle in the box caught fire, and I thought the back fence was going to catch. I mean, that was what, last year did I do it, I think. But even so, good shoot. But as for matches, I'll still say it's a no-go area. You know, we've all seen expensive matches I bought strike anywhere, and they still didn't light, even when I skimmed them. And when I tried striking a match on a lead flashing, it didn't work. So I don't know what kind of matches other people use to do it. I certainly can't do it. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments. I'll see you again another day. See ya. Bye.